I'm going to try the Aqua Comb to clean my filters. We're going to see how this works. It looks pretty heavy. Got the combs in there. I'm not sure where the water comes out. The water must come out at the top up here. And then these brushes are probably used, the combs probably used to clean inside the filters. Like that. Alright, let's plug it in and see what it does. This is kind of nice. It's got an on-off valve so we can turn it off and then go turn the hose on. That's pretty cool. So it looks pretty good just as a sprayer. See what happens if I get the combs in there. Just from a sprayer, it seems to work great. Then you can get in here. Yeah, it probably loosens everything up really good when you stick these combs in. Alright, well I'm going to go ahead and clean these up and then I'll show you the difference. This is nice. You can just turn it off when you need a break. You can definitely see the difference, how much it's cleaned them out. The real big deal is how much it's cleaned it out inside there. You can see inside here just how dirty it is in comparison to this. So yeah, I definitely think this thing works really good. Another difference is how much lighter these are. This one's like weighs half as much. This one over here is really heavy, and then you can see all the gray, how dirty that is. That's the water, everything that's come out, all the dirt and grime that's come out of the filters. I'll show you the difference between just spraying it and then what happens when you stick the forks in there. That's how you really get it cleaned out good, with these forks, with the comb. It's hard to do this one-handed, so I'm going to go ahead and finish cleaning this up, and I'll put it all back together. You can see all that gray, nasty water coming out of the filter. Alright, I think it looks great. I think the Aqua Comb did a great job. I'll use it a few more times to clean my pool filters, and then I'll make an update video and let you know what I think. In the meantime, if you want to get one and try it out, I'll have an Amazon affiliate link in the description.